Hey guys, this is a gun enthusiast. I got the Colt police positive revolver. It's a 38. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so this is a police positive 38. I do have a video, one of my early videos, and it's not the very best, so decided to do it over. So this is not a 38 special, this is a 38 S&W. This was passed down as an heirloom. This was passed down to my uncle, and my uncle passed it down to me. So I'm very happy to have it. Now I'll show you guys real quick. Cylinder holds 6 shots. And the first day, when I got this, guys, I thought it was a 38 special. And of course, you know, here's a 38 special. As you can see, it doesn't go all the way in. And this is a 38 S&W, as you can see. So, you know, I started doing research on it. And I said, well, what is it? If it's a 38, how come a 38 special won't go in there? Because this is not a 38 special. It's a 38 S&W. So I'll show you the difference. As you can see, there is a big difference. That's the 38 S&W, and that's the 38 special on my right. So this was manufactured in 1926. It's an old revolver. It's got some wear and tear. The condition is very, very good. I mean, it does have some wear and tear, and I think, in my opinion, it gives it some character. It is 6 shots, and it's got the firing pin there on the hammer. So it's got the 3-inch barrel, but these old guns, I mean, the way these guns are made, it just kind of gives it that, like if it's a big revolver, but it really isn't. I mean, a little quick comparison. If you compare it with the my snub nose Ruger SP 101, as you can see, I mean, it really isn't that much bigger than my snubby over here. And I've shot it. It's an awesome little shooter, man. It's got the original wooden grips on there. Great little revolver. What I found interesting about this when I was doing research is that the American gangster Al Capone had the same gun, and you know, of course his was a nickel finish, and this is the blue finish. But I kind of found that interesting, knowing that Al Capone had the same gun. Pretty interesting. It's a good looking revolver. It's very, very nice. And these guns were very popular in those days. I mean, of course, the police agencies all over the United States used to use these guns in those days, in 1926, and in that day and age. It's got the fixed sights. But it's a very good looking revolver. I'm glad to have it. Keep it in my family. Maybe pass it down to my son. It's going to remain in my family. Just wanted to show you guys again. This is the Colt Police Positive Revolver 38, chambered in 38 S&W. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hitting the joint.